Chapter 10, Angles. Angles is a way of measuring turn. So if we look at this protractor, as we take this to be our center, as we move around, as we turn, we're creating an angle. And then if we get to here, we've created a quarter of a turn. So from 0, 90 degrees, that's a quarter of a turn. If we went on ahead, round, that creates a bigger angle. That would be half a turn, 2 right angles, 3/4 of a turn, 3 right angles, and then a full turn. A compass is also split up into right angles. You've got north, east, south, and west. And as well, northeast would be 90 degrees from southeast, southeast 90 degrees from southwest, and so on. Where northeast is halfway between east and north, so it would be at 45 degrees. Identify different types of angles. Pause the video and have a go at examples 1 and 2. So, if you don't turn at all, the angle is 0 degrees, indicating no turn. If you rotate or turn between 0 and 90, less than a quarter of a turn, that's called an acute angle. When you rotate exactly 90 degrees, that's called a right angle, indicated with a square. Bigger than 90 but less than 180 creates an obtuse angle. If you go 180 degrees, that's half a turn. That's a straight angle, or a straight line. Bigger than 180, but less than 360, is a reflex angle. A reflex angle could also look like this, as long as it's bigger than 180, but less than 360. And then a full turn is 360 degrees. You get back to where you started. Fractions of a revolution. How many degrees has the seconds hand turned through when it moves from 4 to 7? So if you take your clock, at the top you've got 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, do that 5 again, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, and 12. So if we go from 4 to 7, try to make sure you got a center there, you'll see that that is 90 degrees. I wouldn't just do that by eye. Let's think about this. When you go from 12 to 3, that's a quarter of a turn, because it's 15 minutes, it's a quarter of 60 minutes. So that's your 90 degrees, and that's moving through 1, 2, 3 hours, or 3 numbers. So when you go from 4 to 7, you're moving 1, 2, 3 numbers as well. So it's the same, it's equivalent to going from 12 to 3. So how many degrees is it turned? Quarter of a turn, which is 90 degrees. How many degrees has the seconds hand turned through when it moves from 7 to 11? Well, if we go from 7, which is here, through to 11, notice it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. The angle is bigger than a right angle. So we'd actually need to know, it would be useful to know what size of an angle is just simply 1. Or if you go through 1 hour, what is that angle? Well, 360 degrees represents the 12 turns, the 12 hours. So 1 hour would be 12 times less than that, which would give you 30 degrees. Or another way to think of it is 90 degrees was for the 3 hours. So a third of that, 1 hour, would be 30 degrees. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. So that's 30, 60, 90, 120. 30 degrees for every hour.